Hello, this is Sage reporting for Kalkine. Thank you for joining us as we bring you the Australian Stock Market Close Report. Market close update. ASX shares market dip on Friday. ASX shares turned red towards the end of Friday's session. Sectors dragging ASX 200 into the red territory were energy, financials, materials and information technology. Healthcare, telecommunications services, industrials, consumer discretionary and consumer staples were higher. News from China emerged that iron ore stockpiles are rising at the Chinese ports. Fortescue Metals was down over 4%, while Rio Tinto and BHP Group also traded in red territory. Big Four banks were also lower towards the session's close, adding to the pressure in financials, subsector and the ASX 200 index. Top gainers in the ASX 200 index were ServiceStream, Domain Holdings, NRW Holdings, Evolution Mining and Megaport. At the same time, top decliners were recorded in Invocare, Kogan.com, Mineral Resources, Whitehaven Coal and Lynas Earths. Newsmakers of the day, ServiceStream was the largest gainer in the ASX 200 index, up over 10% after the company reportedly secured a multi-year agreement from Telstra. Although the contract amount was not specified, the company said it had historically delivered around 100 million of infrastructure works under similar contracts. NRH Holding announced that it secured a mining contract from Nathan River Resources. The contract is inked for around $123 million and would be delivered over 33 months. Investors punished Kogan.com shares after the e-commerce retailer provided January 2021 update. KGN shares were lower, almost 8% down, although the company reported a 96% increase in gross sales for the first half of financial year 2021. The company said EBITDA grew over 140% and gross profit rose over 120%. Mineral Resources shares also fell on Friday after the second quarter update. It produced 5.1 million wet metric tonnes of iron ore and shipped 4.4 million wet metric tonnes. The company also added that the shipments for financial year 2021 would remain near the lower end of guidance. Freedom Foods Group announced that the Perich family had committed $200 million to recapitalise the business through secured convertible notes. It would use the funds to repay debt and working capital facilities. Domino's Pizza reported that the company would return the JobKeeper assistance obtained by its printing subsidiary, which received $792,000 in JobKeeper payments in the financial year 20. In October 2020, the QSR firm clarified that it would not seek JobKeeper payments. Thank you for watching. This is Sage reporting for Kalkine.